Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Netflix app crashing on PC. So if you have Netflix app on your PC but it keeps crashing, it could be caused by a variety of issues such as corruptions, outdated software, or conflicts with your device. So through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to fix Netflix crashing on computer. The first thing that you can do is you can restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve issues caused by temporary software. So you can just go to the power button and choose to restart your device. You can also check for Windows updates because an outdated system might be causing compatibility issues with the Netflix app. You can find it under the settings on your PC. Find the Windows Update options and see if there is any update available. This one's right here. And you can also try to just restart the Netflix app because updated version of the Netflix app may cause crashes. You can update it from the Microsoft Store. And the next one, you can try to clear the Netflix app cache by going to settings and apps. Find install apps and then just find Netflix, select it and tap on reset. And now next for the next solution, you can try to just reinstall the Netflix app. So you can find Netflix in here and then just tap on this third icon and tap on uninstall. And you can go back to the Microsoft Store and search for Netflix and click install to reinstall the application. And don't forget to check also for the graphics drivers updates because outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause issues with video apps like Netflix. And don't forget to you can also try to disable the hardware acceleration. Uh, it will help you with video playback but can cause issues on some systems. You can also try to just run the Windows troubleshooter because Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that can automatically detect and fix app-related issues. You can go to settings and find system. Here scroll down until you find a troubleshoot and tap on other troubleshooters and you can just run the Windows Store apps troubleshooters and follow the extension and let Windows try to fix the Netflix app. And if you have antivirus software or firewalls, you can also just disable it first because it might be block Netflix from working correctly. And don't forget to also check for conflicting software because some third-party apps or software can conflict with Netflix, which causing it to crash. And also check for non-issues with Netflix because if the Netflix app is still crashing, there may be a wider issue with the app or service. Lastly, if none of the previous steps work, you can just reach out to the Netflix support and just submit a request explaining the crashing issue. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.